Hey, it's Jinja, or KF7IGN, depending on where you know me from. And today I'll be going over PSHammy. This time it'll be a live demonstration. Alright, so I'm going to launch it here, and I'm going to specify autolog QRZ, which will automatically post a log upon establishing a successful QSO once it's logged here. So PSHammy is just kind of chilling in the background, it's looping through, it's watching the WSJTX log file. So right now, we're going to try to contact K9IJ, and if we have a successful QSO with him or her, it will be picked up by PSHammy, and then it'll work its magic behind the scenes, and we'll kind of see what that means as we go through this. So I just kind of like to toggle enable TX just in case I don't actually get them back, but it looks like we're having a successful QSO here. I will say 20 meters today has not been too kind. However, it's not completely dead as people often say that it is. So the number one thing you can do in ham radio is just kind of go out there and do your own thing. Just don't listen to people saying the bands are dead, and if you don't do anything, then part of the reason the bands could be dead is nobody's out there trying. So it looks like we're going to have a successful QSO here. Yep. Once I see that, looks like I'm transmitting the 7.3. Once that's done here, I'm going to log it. And why not put in a transmit power? I usually use 75 watts when the band's kind of poopy. Alright, looks like that is in the log, or the local log for WSJTX. So now if I go over to PowerShell, it'll pick it up, see it found another log entry, so it will look up the call sign information from QRZ with the API, get the map image via the Azure Maps API, send that to Discord in a Discord channel, and then looks like we have a successful posting to the QRZ log as well. So let's look at the Discord. There's the information. And there's a map of the contact. So now if we go over here, you can see if I refresh the logbook, there we got K9IJ. Alright, for good measure, let's do one more QSO here. Alright, N7 or NL7D is calling me back from I think earlier. Let's go ahead and have a QSO here. I will say PSHammy right now in its current state is I would say version 0.10 or 0.20 maybe now, but I'm still trying to work out how I want to deploy it, share it. It's on GitHub right now, and if anybody is interested in the GitHub link, let me know. I can link you. You do need a lot of API keys and such, Azure Maps for the map, QRZ if you want rich call lookup and worldwide call lookup, as well as your QRZ logbook API key, and then a Discord webhook URL, which is pretty easy to get. So let's check for the log here. It should say 8 entries on the next refresh, and then look up Mr. ND7 or NL7. I'll know in a second. Dun, dun, dun. And it should get them on the next refresh to look it up. Still trying to work out the timing on the refreshing here. I don't want the program to look up too much or too quickly and cause a lot of CPU cycles to be wasted. All right, NL7D. Looks like we got everything successful here. Posted to Discord and posted to QRZ log. Let's check it out. All right, there we go. Portland to Tucson. And then we go to the logbook. There he is. So that is the gist of it. I just wanted to give a kind of demonstration from it being used in a practical standpoint and kind of go from there to see if maybe somebody else has some ideas, what they think about the current state of it, if they want to try to use it themselves, and just kind of gauge interest. I'm having some fun with it. I really like the ability to post it to QRZ right away. I know you can upload the ADIF log or ADIF log, whatever you want to call it, manually and just the whole file all at once, but I kind of like to do it as I go and get a feel for it that way. Again, let me know if you have any feedback down in the comments or on Discord, and I will be posting some more videos as some more features come to fruition here.